Tip 1. Use Outline View to quickly move around and organize big documents. Just go to the View tab, click Outline, and drag headings where you want them. Tip 2. Turn on the navigation pane. It lets you jump to different parts of your document fast. Go to View, then check the navigation pane. Tip 3. Use Format Painter to copy text style. Click it once to use it once, or double-click it to use it again and again. Tip 4. You can change how Word pastes things. Go to File, Options, Advanced, and scroll to Cut, Copy, and Paste. Choose what works best for you. And tip 5, use Insert Citation to add sources for essays and reports. Just go to References, then click Insert Citation and add your info. And that's it! 5 simple tips to make Microsoft Word easier to use. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe for more Word tips, and comment your favorite shortcut. See you next time.